Are you looking for ways to earn money in 2025? Here is a small business that you can start up with the lowest capital. How to produce bleach. The ingredients or the recipe or the things that you will be needing to produce it are on the screen, as you can see. It's not cost at all. I got this for an affordable amount, and I'll be sharing with you how you can make it with 5 liters of water though. You might have been thinking you need a huge maybe capital to start up your business in 2025, or you are confused as at what to do. Well, this can help you. It can be like a side hustle for you if you have what you are doing already, and it can also be like a main scale business if you really want to do it in large quantity or scale up. All you have to do is to maybe get a NAFDAC number, get some things done. You don't even have to, have a big space or a big building. You can just like use your home or your shop wherever you stay and produce it. You can start as an entrepreneur. It can be a one-man business. Then as it gets bigger, you can then need people. But for now, you don't even need workers. You can be your own production manager for this. Marketing this is actually not difficult though. All you have to do is to check for online for 1 or 2 marketing skills. Yes, like this video though, you can also make videos, advertising videos, and post across social media platforms. Or if you are starting in a small scale, you can just reach out to the schools near your environment. Okay, you can go to 1 or 2 schools. You can just trek to the schools around you. We know there are a lot of schools around, a lot of churches, a lot of organizations. You can just advertise to them for the meantime before you scale up. And if you are scaling up big, may God see you through and teach you on what to do. If you need more information, you can also feel free to drop a comment, and I'll be so glad to respond to you. If you are finding any other aspect difficult, you can actually check other videos here on YouTube. You can check other production tips that goes alongside bleach, which you can produce alongside hypo to sell. And if you are looking for more marketing tips, you can also search here on YouTube for more ways to market your business as a small business owner or even as a large business owner. But for now, this is so much affordable. Bye.